Oh, lovely sunny day. It's been snowing, raining, everything. Just thought I'd take a walk out. Back home now, so I'll just go up all these steps. Oh, loads of steps to get up to, and that's just to the front door. Oh, so I've been chopping a bit of wood. Beautiful view from up here. Anyway, so I'll just go for. Oh, Dave's there. Look, so we'll say hello to Dave. Close this. You can just see him looking through the gate. Hello, Dave. So, right, go on in. Let's talk. What the fuck is that? What? Looks like I've had a delivery. Bloody hell. Oh my god. What the hell? How the chuff did the postman deliver that bike up here? Oh well, never mind. Hey ho. Right. Whew. And oh shit, I've had another delivery. What the hell is this, I wonder? Let me open it up and see. Well, what do we have here? It looks like an FZR1000 engine casings that were seized up. Oh, hang on, let me see if I can get it out. Right, hang on, let me just cut that a bit. Right, so one set of casings that have been cleaned. Right, so I've got it out of the box now. So this is going to be a genuine review of some soda blasting work I've had done. Obviously this was that engine that was seized up, that I've dismantled, and the casings, I must admit, were in pretty shit condition. So there's little bits of shit in there. I don't know if that's oil or if that's a residue of the actual soda blasting process, but we'll get that sorted. I must admit these are probably difficult to blast, but it looks like there's a bit of the gasket still in there, so I need to get that off. The reason it's taken so long is because every bloody lost the casings. So Right, I need to double check everything, make sure. I think what I'll do is I'll give them a wash and see how it is then. But anyway, so the FZR1000 seized engine is back on. But I think the first thing I need to do is wash these casings and just see what the crack is. But anyway, quick update.